Hey guys, today I want to show you how I implement these stylized mountains on my scene. That's all thanks to this wonderful asset on Fab. Just import it to your project and boom, you're ready to go. I ordered the asset on this way. I have 3 folders, and for each folders I have the master material, where I add a emissive node attached to a multiplier just to increase the brightness of the mountain. Okay, so here we have our asset. Just drag it into your scene, scale it a little bit. Find the right spot. And here I have the material instance. Just apply it to the mesh. Alright. And here we can change the brightness. And as you can see, we have already a nice blend with the landscape and the mesh. Alright, let's rotate it a little bit. And here on the landscape I have this effect that will color the blade of grass. I want to better mix the colors of the landscape with the mountain. So the landscape is composed by 2 textures. Here I can try to increase the hue. That's too much. Okay, that's better. And that's a good result, I think. I have 2 textures mixed on the landscape, so I will change the second. Right, that. By increasing the hue, the tint of the textures will become a little more bluish. And voila. That's very nice, I think. You can also try to, of course, change the grass of the mountain if you do not want to touch your landscape. But in my case, it worked well like that. So I can try to sculpt the landscape a little bit to better match the mesh. And here you can see that I have a little problem with the saturation. That is too high, so I can decrease the value a little bit, and that's much better. All right. So I think that's a good starting point. But first I want to add some details on the landscape, just to have a nice picture like there. And voila! Now you can try to find your ideal composition. For me, it was a very long process. sculpt a little bit the terrain to match the meshes. And here it's like trial and error a little bit. Try a different shape, different rotations, scales. Okay. Now I place some meshes on the back of the scene. And here we are on the viewport during gameplay. And the result is very nice, I think. So, here is how I implement the mountains meshes on my scene. I hope this was helpful for you, and see you in the next video. Bye!